Turn in the horn. Next red repeater goes through the repeater towers of 5G now. There's gonna be a bike going on the road. Haarp coming in. Let me make sure I got bro home safe today. I can't wait to get on the road again, man. That's gonna be fun. Man, it's gonna be good. I know. Oh, it's cranking. There's the overshed cloud. All our F lines, all the F lines coming in. Hey, it's almost a full moon coming up. Holy shit. Well, we're getting close. It's gonna be Sam Hand. Our New Year, pagan New Year starting for us. Our New Year starting. It's amazing how there used to be 13 months at one time. Yeah. It's had 13 constellations, but they changed all that in the year. I know. Oh. Wow, they're really cranking that.